Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. And right now we could see that Bitcoin is back up to 20,271. And actually, let me just make a couple announcements before we get started, because I'm going to be releasing all those tutorial videos for those gold members in the Discord, for you guys asking for a little bit more clarity regarding, portfolio percentage allocation, how do the leverage trades exactly work, and a few other concepts about my trading strategies. But yeah, we'll get into it right now. And for the time being, Bitcoin's back up, so things are looking quite good. We are July 4th, so happy Independence Day to all those Americans. So my fellow Americans, I am not American, but we are neighbors, a neighboring country. So overall, I think we're pretty close neighbors. But yeah, let's get into it. Right now, we're getting some nice upside. We have a -5 and a 60 on the DBSI market cipher. Nice little green candle, VWAP's pulling up. Green dot confirmed, so we have a bit of a chance of getting another rally. But again, we are in a bit of a W pattern on Bitcoin. But let's just see if this plays out. This is just a potential bear flag that I was plotting out, but we do have some nice touch points. So maybe Bitcoin does rally all the way back up here to 22,755. Right, maybe we'll get a potential rally to up here, and then we'll get slowly rejected once again, and we'll start to come down. We'll break this channel, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's stay level headed. Let's see what happens in the coming days. But for the time being, things are looking quite good. And again, even if we don't get to this level right here, we're still gonna have to break that line right here around 21,700. And also something that comes into confluence as well is, let's take a look at that traders realities indicator, which is a very, very good indicator right here. We'll take a look. It's coming close to around 23,000. This is basically just a 200 EMA, but overall, you have a green vector candle right here, and eventually you're going to have to recover it. So we know how these markets work, and eventually if we do get a nice push towards the upside, it doesn't have to happen immediately. This could chop sideways, and as the price comes up, the EMA ribbon is going to come down. So overall, it might start to come in line to around 22,700, maybe around this area, and maybe we'll get a sharp move up, and then it'll come perfectly in line. So if that does happen, I am going to short at that point. Just giving you guys some free advice here. None of this is financial advice, actually. This is not advice. None of this is financial advice, so always take that to account. These are just my opinions that I'm listing onto the markets. But yeah, overall, if we get a nice pump towards the upside, 22,700 is going to be your next point to short. But for the time being, we are in a few longs. We're in a long on Matic. Again, congratulations to all those Discord members who are in the chat. If you guys followed my spot longs for the time being, you might be up around 14% right now. So congratulations to you guys that are following my spot longs in the Discord. You guys are doing very good for yourselves. So woohoo! Getting some nice gains. Always nice to see that. But again, don't get too excited from a rally back up to 42,000. I see it as quite unlikely, but it doesn't mean that we can't get some upside. At the high end, I really think that we could maybe, if we break 22,750, we can get as high as $25,000, which is this previous wick right here around. Oh no, not this chart right here. We'll take a look at the Bitstamp chart, which is around $25,652 right there. So that's going to be your major level to watch in the short term. But we got to take out these previous resistance levels first. And let's take a look at a couple indices right now. And as we can see, we are getting some upside in the Dow Jones, in the S&P 500, and in the Nasdaq in the overnight markets. 1.24%. Futures looking quite good. Oil is up, gold is up, silver is up. Almost every asset class is up. I think. No, sorry. This was the inverse ETF that I'm using to short the market. That one's down because of the rally. But don't get too excited about these rallies. We are in the bear market, but sometimes the bear market rallies are the biggest ones. In percentage gain terms, are happen in the bear market. So, you know, if we do get one, it's going to be aggressive, and if we break out of this pattern, especially, it's going to be very, very aggressive, and we're probably going to maybe go back up to 33,351 if we break this trend line. But if we don't, you know, we're going to grind down it and most likely keep dropping towards the downside, as the economic data is going to get, you know, probably worse, as, you know, we are going to head into a recession. I think we already are in a recession, but some keynotes to take into consideration is that this is not a recession like the others. This is a recession caused by inflation, right? And a recession caused by inflation cannot be fixed by money printing. And the Fed has only known really not fixing recessions, but getting us out of recessions by printing money. But in reality, we've never really gotten out of that recession bubble. Right? It's only gotten worse and worse and worse. Every time they print money to get out of a temporary recession, it always ends up screwing us over in the long run. But yeah, that's my opinion on the markets. Hope you guys have a good one. If you guys want to join the Discord and see my crypto trades, my spot trades on crypto, leverage and spot, and my stock trades as well, you guys can join the link in the description. And if you guys don't know already, our partner is biggettrading.com, and that's where I do all my crypto trades as well. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.